Hello everyone, just doing a walk around video on this Mitsubishi Evolution Tommi Makinen. Now there's quite a lot to say about this car. I'm sure a lot of car enthusiasts will be all over this car, because even in today's world this car is admired by a lot of people. Now the sun's a bit of a hit and miss today. I'm trying to get the paint showing, or the sun out. Well, trying to show the paintwork basically with the sun out, because the paintwork is just I'm sure you can see it's just looking perfect, and I mean that. I could go around the whole car, but I will go around the whole car and show you the condition of the car. Now the only thing I will say is I'm sure you can see the calipers aren't looking their best, all four of them, but we're going to get them painted. And just to demonstrate, we've got another Porsche here and we've repainted them so you can see the quality of our work. Bright red, they will be going front and rear. So these have been done by us. That's for the Porsche, and that'll be the same on this as well. So for those wondering, they look a bit faded and not great. We like to make cars looking their best at Fairmont. So that's the only thing this car really needs to make it to our standards. Anyway, there we go, the sun's out. It's getting there. Now if I'm honest, there's not really a lot to say about this car in the way of, like I've said, defects. It's pretty much as you'd expect. The previous owner has bought quite a few cars from us in the past, and he's a massive car nerd. Probably stating the obvious, but there we go. He loves his cars, takes care of his cars, and he is a good friend of ours as well. One minute the sun's in and the next minute the sun's out. I'll get onto the interior shortly. 2-litre engine's ticking over nicely. I'll show you the boot first of all. It's always the boring bit, as I say, but I'll show you everything on this car as much as I can. It's got a car cover and a rear strut brace. I'm sure that's what you call it, a rear strut brace. If it's not, then I apologise. There we go. And as for the back seats, I don't really like to touch the paintwork of this car because it's so perfect. If I just zoom out, there we go. And as for the front, if I just jump inside, there we go. Condition of the seats. bonnet. It's there somewhere. Oh. This is where it takes about 5 minutes to find the latch. Where is it? There we go, sorry about that. I'm now going to take it for a quick drive and then we'll wrap it up there. Fans kicking in all fine. Right, hello everyone. I'm now going to take this car for a quick test drive, so just so you guys can see what it's like. Now I've got to say, what a fantastic day to be driving a fantastic car. Mitsubishi Evolution Tommi Makinen. Now a bit about this car is Mitsubishi produced this car to celebrate their WRC drivers winning the championship around about 1996 to 1999, I believe. First of all, it sounds incredible. It's got a nice, you've got the induction kit making the intake noise. Whoosh. Hopefully you can hear that, and that was my terrible impression. But anyway, let's take this car down some back roads. Not going to go mad. I'm just taking this car down some roads where this car's made for being driven down. First of all, I've got to say the gear changes are excellent. Nice, short but positive and slick throw. I'm not even putting my foot down a lot, and it picks up very well. It feels very planted. Excellent noise. Handling feels good. Very direct. It's a very special car to drive, to be honest. It's I don't believe Mitsubishi made a lot of these. I think about 4,000, 4,500 in total. So yeah, these aren't exactly common, and like I've said, these are loved by a lot of people. Even those that aren't Mitsubishi fans, they look at these cars, the Tommi Makinens, and they think, yeah, these are fantastic boy racer cars, especially compared to modern cars. These, you know, are still arguably better than a lot more expensive modern cars that are being produced, and a lot more fun, let's be honest. But there we are. Go right here. Now it is a sunny day, but this car's got air conditioning. I'm not going to put the air conditioning on, but it does work. You won't get bored of that noise, that's for sure. Like I said, the previous owner of this car was, he took care of this car very well. God, it handles and grips so well with the corners, it's so tight. You've got power across the whole rev range. There's not a lot of turbo lag, to be honest. There we go. Mind the runner on the road. There we go. I'm going to cut this right now, and now I'm back. I'm going to take this car on the A road so you can see what this car's like at high speeds, about 70 miles an hour. Wasn't even over 4,000 RPM there, and it just took off like a rocket. There we go. Now get in the right lane. There we go. Right. Just showing you how it steers. It's fine. A bit of camber in the road, can't help that. Should really have two hands on the steering wheel, but I'm just trying to show you it does drive fine. And it brakes, what's the car there? Shouldn't do it right now. And it brakes fine as well. Not any wobble on the steering wheel, as you can see. And again, pulls away, fourth gear, no problem. Right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, you found it useful. You found it useful for those wondering how it drives and the condition of it. Do give us a call if you're interested. 01277 563 561. All our contact details are down below in the description. Alternatively, you can email us as well or check out our website. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.